Number 26 of the EOC Math 3 practice test. The graphs of function f of x and g of x intersect at a point. What is the y-coordinate of the intersection? Okay, so all we need is the y-coordinate. So it says the graphs. That means we're going to graph these. So all we have to do is pull up the calculator and plug these in. So let's see. Go to y equals. And the first function says 3 raised to 2x plus 1. Let's make sure that's in parentheses. So 2x plus 1. Close my parentheses. And then I need to arrow back down to where it's back to a big number. If you don't, it will not be the same function. So minus 4. And then check it, 3 to the 2x plus 1 minus 4. That looks correct. And then the other function is g of x. It says e. So e is right here above the divide button. So I've got to push the blue button in the divide. That's e. Excuse me. And that's raised to the 2.2x. 2.2. Oops, I forgot my x. Alright, x, and then close parentheses. Alright, and then again, make sure that's all of it. I think it is. G of x equals e to the 2.2x. Alright, so I have both of my equations in there, and I'm going to hit graph. Alright, since it has time to graph both functions, it looks like one is very close to the y. I'm going to change my window a little bit just because I like to visually see kind of more of what I'm doing here. So I'm just going to change this to -5 and 5 instead of -10 and 10. So it's just going to kind of blow up my window a little bit. I'm going to go back to graph. Alright, so it's still kind of hard to see, but it looks like that intersection point is definitely right in here somewhere. Okay, so we're going to do second calculate, or second trace, which is calculate, and we want to find the intersection point. So we're going to click on number 5. Alright, now it's going to do first curve and second curve. So the little cursor is here. We need it to be on the left side and the right side of the intersection. So we know it's on the left side, so go ahead and click enter. And then we need to scroll up here to where it's obviously above the intersection. Okay, so I still see it, but it's above the intersection point. I'm going to hit enter. And I hit enter again. Nope, it didn't work. Hold on, so I'm going to go second trace. 5 is intersect. I need to come down here. First curve has to be left of the curve. Okay, so there's enter. And then I need to get to the other side of the curve and hit enter. Then it's going to guess, and it's going to give me their intersection point. So you can see that x is 0.31 and y is 2. Again, it asks us for the y value, so the y value is 2.